Good morning everyone, welcome to a new vlog. Today I thought I would vlog, well I've been like vlogging every day to be honest, because I'm going to my dad's house tonight and I'm trying to convince him to go to this street eats kind of event thing that's going on where he lives, which I think will be really fun. They were supposed to have an ice skating rink there, which I think would be awesome, but because it's so hot, because it's summer, I think they had to cancel it, which is a bit sad, but they still have like a petting zoo and all these rides and amazing food and stuff. So hopefully we can go to that. Oh, I finished my Christmas shopping yesterday. I'm so happy. I literally only bought food, like that's all I had left to buy. I got these for Charlie because he loves these. He's only had them once because they're literally $8.50 for one packet of chips, but Charlie loves them, so I thought that I would get him that as his last present. Oh, I'm just gonna do my advent calendar while I'm up here. I washed my sheets last night and now they are super clean. Oh, what are the odds that this is gonna be like another like hand moisturizer or body gel or something? Oh, what do you know? I might give that to my mum because she loves the like coconut and vanilla scents. I've literally given mum so much from my advent calendar. I have some fruit toast, some cinnamon fruit toast for breakfast. I got this from work the other day. Haven't had any yet though. Also, excuse me. Also, mum got us this awesome like terrarium kit thing yesterday. So you can like make you get these jars and you put the dirt in, the plants in and everything. I don't know. Yeah, you put all this stuff in, like stones and dirt and stuff. And then you put in your plant. This is my plant. I don't know what to call him yet. He's so cute. I love it. It's like fluffy. I love the texture of it. Yum. You jealous, Brody? He's not even licking to me. I'm finally going to finish wrapping all of my Christmas presents and putting them under the tree. Feel so accomplished when you finish all your Christmas shopping. So I let someone borrow my scissors and now I can't find them, so I'm not going to wrap any presents until my little sisters get home from school, because then they can explain to me where my scissors are. So right now I'm going to go outside, do a bit of tanning maybe, it's pretty nice out there, and edit a vlog. This is where I'll be for the next hour or more. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Hey guys, so it's been a little while. So Dad's coming to pick us up soon. I need to put some makeup on to make myself feel better about life. And hopefully we'll go to this food truck festival kind of thing tonight. I'll show you my outfit. This is what I'm wearing. I got this top from Miro Boutique, and this necklace I got in the mail yesterday. I ordered it literally ages ago. It was one of those free ones where you just have to pay for the shipping. It's really pretty. And then these shorts that I literally always wear. I shouldn't even show you guys these anymore because it's just embarrassing how often I wear these shorts. So I'm at my dad's house now. I don't know if I should keep my hair like this. I feel like it looks a little weird. I've never worn my hair like this before. But we're going to this really cool it's Elwood Street Eats thing. It's got like food trucks and everything, which is where I wanted to go. And Dad didn't even know I wanted to go there, and he's like, we're going there tonight, kids. So I'm really excited. Brody's here too. Brods. Hey man. Grab my jacket. Ooh, guess I'm gonna leave my hair like this then. I've got matching hair. Twins! Snail. What? Come on, birds. was really good. It was pretty cold actually. I really wanted to see the sunset. Have to, oh my god, Brody's fur. We have to go pick up Annie from a party though, so we had to leave before the sunset.
It's so soft, feel it.
Ew, gross. Brody, having fun there? Having fun? Put your seatbelt on. Christmas donuts.
Like Christmas decoration.
Christmas colors on.
Oh, I have to get one of these.
Yeah.
Look how cute.
Yeah.
Can you not? That's
You know what
so
the start
embarrassing.
of it?
Hey everyone, it's the next morning. Sorry I didn't end the vlog last night. I just, yeah, don't know. Hey bro's living his best life. We're going to Chadstone shopping centre pretty soon to help Dad buy some Christmas presents because he's hopeless, you know, Dad's. And then I think we might go to the beach a bit afterwards, but Chaddy's going to be really cool because it's going to be like all Christmassy, which I'm really happy about. Are you happy, Brody? Jokes, he has to stay home. Hugh Hefner. I left my camera at home. I'm so mad. I was literally talking about how excited I was to vlog here and I left my camera at home. Best Christmas tree ever. I'm going to get Belgian waffle. What are you getting? What are you getting?
I don't know, because I can't see the...
You guys should get a mini cheese.
She can't get it.
Annie, she can. Oh my god. Yours actually looks really tasty. Thank you so much.
Chicken looks really good.
Yeah.
Annie got, sorry, Christmas tree frap. Can I try it?
Good.
What are you saying?
Trying the gingerbread.
I need to delete it.
I don't like it. But it
Maybe
tastes
because you
exactly
don't
like
like
gingerbread,
gingerbread.
yeah.
Sip for a sip. I love that one.
Oh, that's just really minty. Living our best life, hey? You look so grumpy,
Hey.
Annie.
I'm not. I'm tired.
There wasn't many Christmas decorations and stuff up at Chatty.
No.
I thought there'd be more.
Yeah, I did too.
Finally have my camera back. That was pits. I hate filming on my phone. Oh, I just wanted to have my camera so bad. It would have been so much better quality. Heading off to the beach now. It's actually pretty nice outside. Taking broads. Playing some cricket. Can you move your fat head? That's where we were yesterday. When we went without you, Annie. Annie's leading the way. I just realised that this whole vlog so far has literally just been like me eating and just like videos of my food. Charlotte's Donald Trump or Kevin Rudd.
Oh, he's drooling away.
Hi ladies. Hello. I'm filming inside of Jessie's bag right now. And it's really cool and creative. But
Gonna head down for the water. We're gonna head down for the water. To the water.
Yeah, he's throwing a massive party.
There's so many boats. Do you reckon there's like a boat party? Boat competition? The waves are so rocky. How heckers are they? Oh! This is way too hectic for me. Ew, there's seaweed on my toes.
Probably has a big
Jar! Ah! Oh my god! You're a piece of junk! Charlotte, don't! Seriously, don't! Oh my god! Go away, I'm serious. Ready? Oh my god. Ready? Now we're just heading off to get some fish and chips. More food. More food for the vlog. Dad's got a friend in the backyard. Oh, so cute.
Bye. Bye, girl.
Okay, so I'm home now and I'm probably going to end this vlog here after I open my advent calendar, obviously. Because, I don't know, this vlog's just annoying me. I feel like it's really bad, so it's really annoying me and I just want to end it. So, I feel like all I've done is just eat food and show you my food. But hopefully the vlog wasn't too bad. I mean, everyone loves food, so how bad can it really be? Whoa, this is a tiny one. What is that? Oh, it's a little lip balm. Oh, that's cute. Shea butter. My lips are actually hurting. I think I got them sunburnt, so I might try that out now. Okay, yeah, so that's going to be the end of the vlog for the past 2 days. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I never know what it's going to be like until I actually go over the footage and edit it. But hopefully it's okay. Who knows? If you liked it, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. And I think Maddie's home, actually. Let's just say hi to Mads.
I've already got my food.
Hey, that's mine.
Oh.
You gave it to us.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Say bye to my viewers.
Bye. See ya. Bye.
She texted